Wala, parang biruan lang kami doon. There were, sila, yung mga kuya ko, sila Kuya Mark Maroca, sila Kuya Ian Sanggalang. They were just welcoming me. Kuya Polly, very excited to have me in the team. Of course, with Coach LA in the new head coach position, expecting more of a new offensive system with him, and also I think the defensive habits of the team will be changed also.
Ano lang pakiramdam na ikaw yung first ever pick ni Coach LA as head coach sa PBA?
Syempre, I feel really grateful for picking me in the 6th pick in the first round with Coach LA, and I think the trust that he puts me in, and susuklihan ko yun with this pick.
Kasama si Peter Alfaro sa team, so ano lang gano'ng kalaking bagay yun with regards to learning the system, learning the culture of Magnolia?
I think it will be more easier with Peter Alfaro in the team also, kasi I've been with him in San Beda for like 3 years, and that will be a really great help for me coming into the PBA also.
How about siyempre Magnolia, he's a playoff contender. Gano'ng kasarap sa feeling na in your first year in the PBA, you have a chance to fight for championships?
That's what ayun talaga yung pinaka-inaantay ko, mapunta sa team na may nagko-contend for the playoffs and also in the finals. And ayun naman yung isa ko may-bring din sa team ng Magnolia with the championship experience sa college. I think that will be a really big help for them also.
Any ano lang kayo sa brother mo, yung meron ba siya sinabi before the draft?
He just said good luck to me. You know, my brother has always been there for me ever since college ko, high school ko, and even up to this day. So, thankful lang din ako sa mga advice na nabigay niya sa akin, and I've always taken it for the good of my career, and really thankful for him.
Let's talk about facing PBA coach, kasi nasa TNT siya.
Well, ayun lang, katuwaan lang yun kasi Coach Yuri, I've been with him for like 2 years, and playing against him and how he will scout me, and I think it will be really exciting.